Welcome back to another video. So right in this video we are going to be talking about Shiba Doge. If Shiba Doge is a scam or a coin that you can invest into. So if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications, smash it, because many of you guys were able to extra money on this coin. And not just that, many of you guys were able to also make money after I posted a video. And I want you guys to also make sure you research more about the coin. The coin has increased so much, and during the time of recording the first video about Shiba Doge, I told you guys that you should make sure you put in like $5. So if you've been able to put like $5 or $10, at least you've been able to see like 2x or anything like that. Let me know if you made profit. So aside from that, during the time of making this video, Shiba Doge was actually at this price, I think, here, and right now the coin has increased. So let me know if you are a profit. So aside from that, let's talk about if Shiba Doge is a scam coin or a coin that you can even hold on. So have in mind that Shiba Doge is on Ethereum blockchain, right? And aside from that, you need to understand what it means, okay? Because Shiba Doge is one of the coins that I've been looking up to for a while, and I told you guys that Shiba Doge is never going to like dumb, right? Because I feel that right now is actually a good time for it. And it's not that this is a financial advice, but have in mind that Shiba Doge is just a meme coin. Anything could happen, but nothing can change anything about it. But you need to understand on what you're getting yourself into. There's always a dumb in the market. As you guys already know that we are already on a bear market. You need to also make sure that you consider put in what you are willing to risk. So for Shiba Doge, if it's a scam or no, I am not seeing anything about it that is scamming, and that's why I want you guys to listen attentively and watch this video to the end. And can you buy the coin? Of course you can do that, but have it in mind that when you are buying a coin, you shouldn't go all in, because you need to make sure you manage your risk as well as also checking behind you to know on what is going to happen next. So have it in mind that the coin is not a scam coin. This is more like a Shiba Inu coin as well, and this more like Shiba Inu, I'm seeing it more as a coin, and at the same time as a coin that is in partnership with Shiba and like Doge. So now which one is Shiba and which one is Doge? So Shiba Inu is different from Doge, and Doge is another coin. So I feel that the both of them are like coming together to create another new meme coin. And right now we are all so early on this coin, and if you check during the time of recording the other video and when I was showing guys the chart, you could see that the coin hasn't increased so much, which means you can still go right now and go back in a coin. So make sure you relax and do not have any two ways, like two minds towards investing into it. So make sure you only watch what you're investing into it, and do not just go all in because you want to make massive profit, because you don't know what's going to happen, because this is just a meme coin, and right now this coin is increasing, and there could be a dump at any time, because yeah, people are always going to sell. So have that in mind, and make sure you subscribe. When you guys are about to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on turn on the bell notification there, and when you turn on the bell notification, you're going to see something like all notification. Click on all notification. This will help you so you could be able to get all my latest update, okay? Because we are going to be posting meme coins that will give you huge amount of money this year. So that's our plan this year. So if you want this, make sure you do as I've told you to do. Turn on the bell notification, click on all notification, and you will get all my massive update that could make you money at any time. Make sure you do this for me as well, and smash the like button. I'll catch you on the next one.